This is a quick walkthrough video on how to use Spark. Spark is a wonderful tool to be able to create individual recorded slides. So let me show you what you can do with this. It is an Adobe product, so you do need your Adobe sign in. I think you can sign in other ways as well, but it's spark.adobe.com. That's where you go in initially. I've already signed in to save us time. All right, so create a project, and we're going to create a video. Spark does create other kinds of media, right? So you can create images, social, slide presentations, and other things. Particularly, we use Spark, for speak over, voice over, slide presentations. So this is the title. We're just going to call it Demo Slideshow. Excuse me. Start from scratch. Okay, so you see that there's different choices for below. It gives you a few slides to start out with. So we'll just go to the first one. Let's just say you're going to talk over a particular photo. You can upload your own photos. You can use any of the stock photos that you belong to, or you can find free photos within here. So let's just say, pet? Okay. Okay, immediately it put the image directly into the space. I mean, I don't have to resize anything. So easy. The next step is talking over this particular slide. So this speaker button is what you would use, and let's just demo, and I'll show you how easy this is. So we'll say, oops, sorry. So what do you do when you can't find your cat? You probably have to look all over the place, looking under pillows, looking under rugs. Well, where could he be? Okay, well, I just made that up. Anyway, you see that it recorded the voiceover for that slide, and then it shows it down here below. So the unique thing about Spark is that you can record slide by slide. So if you move on to the next slide, you create that slide. So this is wonderful when you have a topic that each slide is more specific, but also things might change over time, then you won't have to go through and re-record an entire presentation. You can come back and just re-record that one slide. So if you think you're going to be working on a project that is going to be changing often, or you just want to practice and you're not really confident to be able to do a full voiceover slideshow presentation in one of the other tools, Spark is a great piece for you to use. And if by chance you are creating info products and you're not working with us yet, then we would love to talk to you, because we can really help you find these kinds of free tools and shortcuts, and really help you do rapid production of your info products. That is definitely one of our specialties, so please make sure that you find one of our links and look at some of our material and get to know us a little bit better. And if you want to reach out for a clarity phone call, I'm also available for that. So see if you'd like to see if we work together, and it would be great to speak. Okay? So hope you enjoy this and got yourself a little bit familiar with Spark.